What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you'd be changing out your back windshield wiper on a Toyota Corolla crossover. Pretty much what you want to do is, the first thing you want to do is come right here. You're going to want to take this piece right here and pop that up just like that. Once you pop that up, what you're going to want to do, once you pop this up, you just want to take your whole windshield wiper and bring it up just like this. And then what you have to do is kind of come like this, fold it out more. It feels like it's kind of messing up, but it's not. Just like that. And once you do that, you kind of want to wiggle it out like that. And if you could come close up, you can see there's like a little opening right here and a little bar that's right inside of here. You can see that bar inside of there. So when you get your new windshield wipers, you just want to take this little bar and just kind of get it right in his mouth right here. See that little mouth? You want to get it right inside of that mouth, just like that. Put it in there, and once you do that, you kind of want to take it and snap it like that. Push your windshield wipers down and snap that back down, and you'll be pretty much good. Alright folks, once again, this is how you'll be changing out your back windshield wiper on a Toyota Corolla crossover from probably about the 2022 to the 2024. Alright, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share it. Thanks.